Hi, I'm Swill Fifth, and do I have a product for you? Do you ever feel like sawing your dog in half? Haha, me too. I mean, me neither. Are you tired of spending all of your time trying to train your dog with little to no results? Well, let me introduce to you the Dog Trainer 3000. Let's take a look at how the Dog Trainer 3000 is supposed to work. The cylinder in the middle will spin and dispense treats. All the treats will be stored in the rectangular box at the top. Wow, pretty neat. Great job, engineering team. Wow, would you look at that? It even works in real life. Great job, team. Obviously, the next step is to get the system to play sound so you can issue commands to your little canine friend. I'm Swell Fifth, and you just got rickrolled. You probably want to see this thing working on an actual dog, don't you? Well, lucky for you, here's some footage.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Wait, so it doesn't even work? What are we even selling here, guys? You want me to play the next clip? Okay, roll the next clip.
Shake, 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 shake.
I mean, yeah, I guess. I mean, the dog does seem to be reacting to the commands being played via the speaker, but I mean, he's not listening to them. You guys want me to ask them for that? The team is telling me to ask for $100,000, and we will continue to develop this product for the next year. This is Swill Fifth, signing out.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to absolutely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Share this video with your friend, and maybe even consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.
Joe, why are you in the neighbor's yard?